how to add a course on Memrise. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a course on Memrise. The first step is to launch the Memrise application on your device. So after launching the application, you will see the courses that you've applied for, you see the levels that you are, and the likes. And then in order for you to add a course, you have to ensure that you are on the pro version of Memrise. As a free user, you cannot add a course. So once you're logged in order to upgrade to the pro version, click on the subscribe to the pro version icon, and then you'll be taken to a page. Go ahead to make your payment and then subscribe. Once you're subscribed, your interface will change, and by the top part of the screen, together with your vocabulary, your strike icon, and your profile icon, you will see the courses tab by the top part of the screen here. Once you can see that tab, click on it. All right, click on the courses tab. Then amongst the options displayed, select create a course. Then provide a name for your course. Select the category, add tags and description. Add levels to your course by giving them names and adding words or phrases. Add contents by recording pronunciations. Add example sentences. Use the bulk add feature. And then once you've added all the content, click on save and continue, and then once you do that, you'll be able to view your creation, and then you can start learning. So this is basically how you can add the course on Memrise. It is very simple. Go ahead to try this out. Thank you for watching and have a good day.